Where nature meets technology, RTR FuelTech creates a better world. We strive for excellence. Keep exploring the infinite potential of creation. We breathe life into filtration, infusing energy, fueling evolution. Make sure our tea is always in a state of progress. Precision and strict quality control, focused on every detail, delivering our promise of excellence. Our dedication to quality guarantees reliable products. With decades of expertise, our R&D team drives innovation, crafting premium products. One-stop air filtration solution, customized to service, fully addressing client needs at every aspect. Certifications, test reports, all proof of reliability. Every breakthrough, every innovation, redefining the standards. 10-year goals, global manufacturing. We dare to dream. We dare to act. Dare to take responsibility. Let's look ahead and work together. With a focus on global expansion, our purification solutions span over 50 countries. We are here to serve. We are your trusted partner, continuously striving, relentlessly pushing boundaries. Our team, the defender of clean air.